Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into Hulu so you have permission to change billing and plans. Once signed in, open Account Settings because that is where plan and add-on controls live. This ensures changes apply to your profile. Make sure your payment method is current. A declined card will block upgrades. And note which device you're using. The desktop site exposes all options, while some apps hide family controls. Now move to the Plan section to start updating. You should now navigate Manage Plan and compare Basic, No Ads, and Live TV because price and features differ significantly. Once you pick a new plan, toggle add-ons like Premium Channels or Unlimited Screens. These stack monthly charges, so read the summary. Make sure to review proration details. Hulu may charge a partial amount for plan changes, and check any active trials that could end. When everything matches your choice and budget, save changes and expect an email receipt confirming the update. You finish by checking the confirmation email for the updated billing date and total so you know when the next charge occurs. After that, sign out and restart the Hulu app or browser on each device to refresh entitlements. This forces new features to appear. If the change didn't apply or you see billing errors, clear your app cache, retry on desktop, and if needed, contact Hulu support with your account ID because they can inspect payment and proration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.